Hi, today we're going to tell you unboxing review at this Blink Wi-Fi dual band N router. This is the N450 DB series. So it says powerful platform for video streaming, music downloads, social networking, multiple computers, desktop or laptop, mobile devices, iPad, tablet, smartphone. Something about Hulu and REViEW, so it's supposed to be ideal for those, I guess. Hulu and REViEW have bad signal strengths, I guess, for being streamed, unlike, Netflix. So I guess that's what's saying. Simple start from laptop or smartphone. I probably would do it just for my laptop. So mode 1, right there, is going to be your, says modem port, and then number 2 is your Ethernet ports, wireless connection to network devices, so you get 4 of those. So 4 Ethernets and 1 modem one. There's going to be your little reset button and your power button supply, that you put the power cord into. It says multi-beam technology. High power signal with maximum coverage lets you connect virtually anywhere in your home. Okay. I want to know if this thing can connect at all, because I bought another one. The Lynx, the LINKSYS system. It was the Matchstream AM version, and that thing was big, and it did nothing. I couldn't even log into that thing to set up the private password. That thing was a hunch in garbage. This, hopefully, because Comcast was like, oh man, your little device, the modem slash router device, it's like, oh man, your house should be covered, from your bedroom to downstairs to upstairs. Maybe not so much outside, like, your front yard and backyard, but definitely if you're in the house, you should be covered to go anywhere. If you want to do things in the bathroom on your computer, you could go in the bathroom and do things on your computer with Wi-Fi. I'm like, man, I cannot even step outside my bedroom because I don't have Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is like literally right there in my bedroom. I mean, if you step outside the bedroom, close the bedroom door, you're cut off from the Wi-Fi. It's unfreaking believable that it's not even a freaking joke. I mean, it's stupid, retarded. They said my whole house is supposed to be covered in Wi-Fi, and yet I cannot even step outside my bedroom to get Wi-Fi. I mean, if I had something on my computer, I gotta take upstairs and show someone, oh look, I won this contest or something like this, or hey, check out this email. It's like, oh nope. Either the email stays and you don't have Wi-Fi until you get down into the bedroom to the Wi-Fi, or yeah. And then they're like, well, you could go out and get those pods. It's like, yeah, but you know how many freaking pods I need? I need like one in every single outlet downstairs just to get Wi-Fi downstairs. And then I need them again to go upstairs in every single room. The bathroom. I probably won't need it in the bathroom, but, I'm guessing that they're going to be a relay system. That's not like one pod just sends it to everything. It's going to be like, oh, if you want to go from this bedroom to that bedroom, you can't just go from this bedroom to that bedroom. You gotta have one in the bathroom to relay the signal from this bedroom to the bathroom, which relays it from the bathroom, then to the other bedroom. That's how I'm guessing it is. So hopefully this solves the little Comcast Xfinity non-Wi-Fi one area, my bedroom only problem. It does say that it's made with Norton, so partner control, Norton. Dual band, separate network from optional performance. Media band is 300 megabytes per second or 5.0 gigahertz. Standard band is 150 megabytes per second or 2.4 gigahertz. And then here's the difference between all three models. So right here we have the N450 DB. Autumn's going to be DB. Next one is going to be the N600 and the AC 800. Looks like AC 800 is going to be the best one due to what it does. Autumn's going to be simple start. Autumn's going to have Norton. Autumn's going to have mono Minfo Infonet antenna. Autumn's going to have 4 little antennas on there. Preset security, Autumn's going to have that. Autumn's going to have this in-streamer QoS type of thing that's optimized for videos and gaming. So yeah. Now the only ones that change are going to be these two. So the N600 is going to have a mirror server. So you're going to be able to do things from a USB flash drive and your smartphone and iPad and all that stuff. And then you're going to be able to do wireless printing through a wireless printer. And this one over here is going to be able to just do an AC Wi-Fi technology for multiple Wi-Fi devices. So I'm not sure. This I got over at Menards. It was like 11 something, so like 11 bucks. But then you got to repay for like $3 off, so I brought it down to 8 bucks. So yeah, and it looks like the battery on my camera's about to die. So yeah, unfortunately, no more videos for tonight. So hopefully I could get this open and show you real quickly before my actual battery dies on my camera. What am I doing up here? Oh, here, just touch it, you know, put it into that, put this in, put that in. Remove card and enter password. You should be connected, type it in. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Oh, hey, cool, they gave you the cable and it's already pre-installed. Not bad. Wow, this thing's actually kind of smaller than what I thought, which is pretty darn good. Remove before use. So we're just going to remove that sticker. Here's our card, which has our secret router number on there. Password, which I'm not going to remove and show. And then our little power supply plug, which we just put light on into the back here like that. And then we should pretty much be good to go. All I gotta do is just plug this into a power source, plug this into my S5 box, go online to the website, remove the card, put the code in the card, and hopefully, you know, I should have Wi-Fi that's going out here to my review table. So if there's anything that I need to bring my laptop here to show you on the actual website, hopefully I can do it now. Hopefully. But yeah, anyway. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.